Hello, hello guys, welcome back to the software testing tips and tricks channel. So in this video, we will talk about how to write playwright script without codes. So you can use AI to write the playwright scripts. So in previously, we already have created playwright tutorials, and in that we have created so many videos on the playwright for the beginners. So if you want to learn the playwright, you can start from the first video and you can start learning playwright. So now in playwright, like you can, there are a couple of tools that allows you to write script using the AI. So let's start. So in this video we'll talk about the tool that is called ZeroStep. So using the ZeroStep, you can literally write a code without doing anything. Like you don't need to write any find any selectors and put selectors, anything. You don't need to do that. Only you need to do something like this: AI fill out form for realistic values, and it will automatically fill out the form. So you don't need to give the data values also. So if someone tell you like now no need to code and something, so AI is there, but still it is beginning level. So how this works, and I will give you the full demo like how it is working. I will go through the script as well and run the script, and what is the best practices, how you can use in your organization, and why should you learn this. All these things we will talk in the details. So please subscribe this channel and watch this video till the end so that you can learn end to end. So let's start from their git link, and from link you can check out that link and you will get directly example questions. And here is the steps how you would need to run that. So I have already followed the step and uh, s- uh, checked out the code, and I am able to run the code. So first of all, what you need to do is like you need to install the zero step playwright dependency. So before starting this, like once you install that dependency, it will come into like zero step. You are able to use the zero step. But first of all, like what is zero step, right? So I mentioned like it is AI layer on the top of the playwright. So playwright is there, and this tool allow you to put one AI layer. Like it tells the AI, it is uses chat GPT, and it tells the AI like in playwright I want to do this, and AI will automatically write that code and do that. So this is the like AI layer on the top of the playwright. It allows plain English test instructions. So for that you don't need to hire any test specialist, or if you know like how playwright runs and how to write the script, that's it. And you need to write all the instruction like a prompt you write in the chat GPT. And also eliminate selectors for the many actions. So selectors are the headache. It keeps on changing. Developers don't allow some selectors and all this, right? So you don't need to worry about the selectors. So this is the best thing like zero step provides. And why zero step? So it avoids that CSS and XPath selectors. This is faster in test creator and maintenance, and more human readable test cases. So if you see like the test case looks like only instructions. So for that, like we in previously we used to do something like, right, cucumber was there. So in cucumber what we used to do is like we provide plain language, and in backend like we have written something code that will execute and do the thing. So here like in backend AI is there, and AI does that code thing. So you can relate something like that. So this is why you zero step is like more easier to read the test cases. Now for installation, as I told, what you need to do, simply you need to provide one npm command, and once it is done, you need to get the token. So when you open the account, it will give a free trial account, so you can use that token and for learning, and their charges is like something $20 around, so that you can check out their site. Once this token is there, you can put into zero step config JSON, and every time it will use that token only. And if each user has different tokens, then you can export the token like this, and every user can use their own tokens. And this is how their code looks like. So here, like this import AI. So this is a difference. So we are importing this AI from zero step playwright, not playwright original. So now once AI is there, when you go to the zero step or a URL, and you need to pass this page and test. So it will now AI arguments are there, and once AI argument is generated, what you need to do, you need to just pass this AI commands. So something like await AI get the header text, so it will give the header text. AI type header text, whatever the header text you have get in the search box. So header text it will type in the search box and press enter. So it will press the enter. So no need to remember that key command, mouse command, nothing. It will directly do it. So this is how you can uh, have that, and after that, like you can run it. So for running, I will show you in my repo. So first of all, these are the tests. So in test, you can see like these are the demo tests. So you can do error handling and all. So first of all, like let's go through the proper Calendly, GitHub and Google. So Google will easy. So what is doing is like test or describe Google constant search term software testing test, and you need to, this is the playwright syntax only. Once you go this command was only like AI is the difference. So what we are doing now, you are doing uh, page and test, you are replacing it, and now page dot keyboard press enter, and you are going to Google. So now you are telling in AI like what is the title for the first organic search result. So whatever the search result you are getting, so what is the title? So you are getting the title and directly you save it and logging the title. Okay, this is the first result. So this is how only you need to tell the AI like I want to do something like that. So here like New York Times, how hover over the world top navbar item. So it will hover it. Click the world selector. So you need to tell that. So this is easy to understand, right? So this is how it works. So this is Wikipedia test. Await page dot go to this software testing, and once it is go to software testing, I am using that playwright await locator. So this is a demo script only, so they have given, and sort by oldest, so it will sort by oldest, and what is the date of first revision listed on the page, and it should be 16 April 2004, but it is modified now. But this is how you can write that. So for running that, you need to do that playwright commands only, npm run test UI that we used to do, or you can do is like npm test run test if you want to run headless mode. So if you don't have playwright background, you can check out my videos that I have created for beginners. It is from very beginning, and all the demo are like I have written every code live. So you can write your code with me, and you can follow the script as well. So you can check out those codes. So here like I am just giving the overview of this thing. So we need to run npm run start UI. So before that, what all command I have given, so that are there. So I have installed this npm I ZeroStep playwright D, and once it is installed, I have installed like npm install playwright, and I upgraded this npm install npm run build, and that's what. And I have upgraded this chromium, that my chromium was older, npx playwright install. Then that's it, I am done. So now I can run like UI mode. If you are not aware, like we have that video. So what you can do, like let's go through that Google test case. So I am Google running that Google test case. So what it doing? Whatever the first link it was getting, it was logging it. So let's try like if it is able to do, and if it is fail also, then it will fail like normal test case only. So it is getting that I am robot one, because I think Google has prevented that automation on it. So that's why it won't get the log. So now if it is pressing like doing anything console or no. Okay, now we got that, I think google.com software testing. It has hit software testing, and after that we are getting this I am robot. So that's why it is getting failed now. So it failed here. So it is not doing putting console. Still, let me see if it is put any console. Yeah. First organic result is software testing. So it has get that software testing, but it is not getting the URL because of this. Now what is doing in this Wikipedia thing? So article's earliest version. So it should be 16 April 2004. That what was written in the script as we discussed. So it is not getting equal. So this is the 15 November 2025, and there is no link to get that earliest one. So that's why it is not picking now. So it should be 16 April, but we get that 15 April 2025. So it was not able to that uh, get the latest oldest one. So I think that link is removed now from the wiki. But this is how it works, and you can run all the tests as well by clicking here. Let's see how many getting passed. So it take time, but because it opens all the URLs, but it runs exactly like what we are running using the Playwright. So meanwhile it is running, let's discuss like what all things are there. So once installation is done, this is the example we have did, and it has this advanced option as well. We can debug it, disable the scroll, support parallel execution as well, and uses fixer for cleaner tests that we can do. And these are the best practices that we need to keep in mind. We need to use clear English instructions only. Like in chat gpt, if we are doing the spelling mistake or writing multiple things, it will allow. But here, since it is executing one command, so it should be in plain English and it should be easier to understand. Combine AI with manual step whenever needed. So what you can do for best practices, you can combine the AI also and combine manual also. So whenever the complex things are there, there you can use the AI. For example, you need to get the date and you need to make sure like it is today's date, then you can use the AI to get the today's date. And you, like, if you want to scroll the calendar and all this. But if there are something like you need to click the button, you can use our older approach only. And one more thing is like you need to give one instruction at a time. You can't give multiple instructions. For example, click on login button, uh, s- uh, then write this thing and then do this thing. So it won't allow. You need to give one instruction at a time. And you can also like how much AI you are using. So you need to monitor the usage and cost. So this is the things we need to take care. So this is a summary like ZeroStep simplifies playwright automation, and wherever some complex things are there and some script is failing every time, there you can use the AI. It will of course boost the productivity for the tester. It will be simpler to write and really easy to run. And also like manual QA who are not uh, don't know that how playwright works, right? They can also write the scripts and give it to the Playwright and run it. So this will be very helpful. So thank you guys for more AI testing videos and Playwright videos. Please subscribe this channel. In this video, like in this channel, we keep finding some new things, new tools, new software testing tips and tricks. So keep subscribed and share it to your QA friends as well. Also, social media links are in the description. Check those out. Thank you.